Hello student, how are you all? Hope you are doing well. Today we will learn about different type of season, but before we have to know about what is the season. A cycle of change weather is divided into different parts which are called season. The four seasons are spring, summer, autumn and winter. Let's start with spring. Spring is the season that comes after winter. The days start getting longer and the weather becomes milder. We can wear colorful clothes like dresses, like jackets. Spring brings new life and beauty of the world. Flower blooms and the tree grow new leaves. Animals come out of hibernations and baby animals are born. It's a great time for planting seeds and watching plants grow. This is the excellent time to fly kites, having picnic and go on nature walk. Apricots, cherries and strawberries are the fruits of spring. Now come to the summer. Summer is the season when the weather is hot and sunny. It's the perfect time to go to the beach, swim and play in the water. People like to wear light and comfortable wear for beat the heat like flip-flops, shirt and t-shirt. During summer times, we must keep ourselves well hydrated and drink lots of juice and water. Many fruits and vegetables like watermelons, mangoes, bananas, strawberries grow during the summer. Kids get a break from school and family often go on vacation. The days are longer and you can enjoy playing outside late into the evening. Now let's move on to autumn, also known as a fall of change and beautiful colors. The leaves on the trees turn vibrant shades of red, orange and yellow. Autumn is the season that follows summer. It's time when farmers harvest crops like apples, pears, grapes and pumpkins. The weather starts to cool down and may you need to wear a sweater or jacket to keep yourself cozy. It's fun to jump into the piles of leaves, enjoy pumpkin spice treat and celebrate Halloween. Winter is the season that comes after autumn. The weather gets cold and magical. Sometimes it snows. In this season, we bundle up in cozy cap, gloves, jacket and sweater to stay warm. It's a time for holiday like Christmas, Hanukkah when families celebrate. Animals like bears go into hibernations and some birds fly to warm places. Kids like have fun building snowmen, having snowball fights and shading down snowy hills. Don't forget to keep yourself warm, otherwise you might get cold. These are some winter fruits: orange, apple and guava. There are some countries we can see there another season and which is called rainy season. Rainy season also known as a monsoon cycle. During this season we experience showers of rain that helps plants grow and keep everything clean and fresh. Rainy day calls for rain boot, raincoat and colorful umbrella to stay dry. It's perfect time to play with paddle dance in rain or read a book indoor. These are some fruits of rainy seasons: peach, plums and berries. Remember, these seasons bring something unique and exciting and it's fun to experience them all through the year. That's all for today. If you like my channel, please subscribe.